Welcome to this video 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 33. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can create an ALV Grid Control with your own structure. And here right now we are in the ABAP editor, so in the transaction SE38, and here you can see a program to create an ALV Grid Control without a custom container. So I've explained this to you in one of the previous ABAP tips, and here we would like to create and use our own structure, because here we are displaying purchase order data from the table echo. And here basically this internal table has the same structure as the table, so echo. And now I would like to show you how you can use and define basically your own structure. So basically let's directly go into this. So before starting with the code, what in this video we will use? So we will use the class CL_SALV_table. So this is basically the table for outputting ALV Grid Control for the table structure. So this is what we need to easily use our own structure, save it into there, and then output it into this ALV Grid Control. So first of all, we will define our structure, and therefore I'm using the types. So here I will use the type builder to do this. I have also made an own ABAP tip explaining you how this type builder is can be used. So therefore I will link the corresponding video if you would like to get to know this in detail. And here, just as a preview, I also would like to use the echo, and therefore just printing out a couple of information. I think this should be fine, and make maybe also the status, then take this over. Then here we have our structure. So the next what we do is there basically we will define our internal table. So just echo in this case, or you could also name it whatever you want to, type table of this structure. And then we need an object for the table for the ALV Grid Control. And here, as mentioned, I will enter the shown class, and I also would like for the toolbar for the functions, I need also an object for another class, and this is functions list. And here we have it, so Shift F1 to have it formatted nicely. Okay, the next what we need is then we will select the data. So we have defined the structure or the variables. So next one is we will use the select asterisk. Of course, for database performance, you can specify the different components that you need to, but easier just using select asterisk. So select asterisk from table echo into corresponding fields of the table LT echo. And then we have our data. The next what we need is basically we will create an object of this class. So we will create this object, and therefore we will use the factory method to basically get an object of this. So therefore the exporting parameter is this one. We pass this over, and we also would like to directly enter the data in here to have it in the ALV Grid Control. And then we will also add some functions in the toolbar. So therefore we will use the get functions method to get the functions in the toolbar, and we would also like to set it as default. And then the next step, so Shift F1 for pretty printer. I'm doing this always in the meantime. The next one is that we would like to output. So therefore we simply call the display method, and then using Shift F1 and now Control F2, no syntax errors. And then I'm using Control F3 for activating this. And then basically, yeah, let's test this basically. So we will hit the F8 key. And then here you can see now that the data is being outputted in the ALV Grid Control in the table structure by using your own structure. And yeah, by said this, basically, if you have any questions left, put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 67 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks left, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.